What'd you say?
I'll just drop it.
Yeah, I did drop it. What'd you say before that?
Drop it.
Come here.
Come.
Mallory. What is that you like to jump on?
It's a trampoline.
That's a trampoline.
It's a drop.
You want to go jump on the trampoline?
It's a drop. Now you stick your hands in the water. Stick your hands in the water.
Hey Mallory, look at me. Look at me. What has big ears? Mallory, look at Mama. What has big ears? Fine, then.
Trying to make a trail for Mallory.
Well, please don't, because that's just all the more mud that she's going to get into that I'm going to have to clean off.
Clean.
No! How am I supposed to get her in the house and get her clean when I'm holding the baby?
I'm trying to... Mallory, stop it!
Go put the water hose up right now. Turn it off and put it up.
Okay. Yeah, can I finish? Let's fill out the skeleton.
No. Go put it up now.
Mama!
Ooh, did you just get mud in your mouth?
I just need a little bit to make paint. Oh.
No, turn the whole thing off now.
Wait, do you want to get a video of that?
No.
Yay!
Oh my God, that's funny. Okay, leave it off. Emily, leave it off.
She's saying yay. You want to get another video of that?
I'm getting video right now. She's silly. Mallory, you're kind of crazy.
I just find it.
You can't find it? The water went bye-bye?
Yeah.
Can you say water?
Bye.
Can you say water?
Walkie.
Waddy? Mallory, look at me. What animal has big ears? Is it a rabbit?
Rabbit.
Webbit? And can you see the birds?
Yeah.
Say bird.
Bird.
Can you say bear?
Bell.
Bell?
I just find it.
You can't find it.
Bell.
Yeah, there's no more Waddy.
Try to dig this ball out. No, Mallory, no. Yes! I got it out. It's all muddy.
Yeah, y'all both are all muddy right now. Mallory, stay out of the mud.
Look how deep it goes.
Mm-hmm.
Can I make a water puddle?
No.
Ew, that sure is muddy.
All right, Mallory, wave bye-bye to the camera.